Today, we're going to explore the possibility of restoring your Snapchat streak using money. It's important to note that you can only restore your Snapchat streak within 48 hours of it being lost. Once this time frame is passed, restoration becomes impossible. So let me guide you through the process of restoring it within this window. To begin, open your Snapchat app and navigate to your profile. Then, tap on the gear icon to access your settings. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled I Need Help. Once you've located I Need Help, tap on it to reveal further options. Here, you'll find an option specifically for I lost my Snap streak. Select this option to proceed. Next, you'll be presented with a form to fill out. Provide the necessary information, including your username, email, the device you're using, and the friends with whom you had the streak. Additionally, explain the circumstances surrounding the loss of your streak. After completing the form, submit it. This action will redirect you to a new page where you'll re-enter all the relevant details. Make sure to accurately input your information and express that your streak broke unexpectedly. Following this submission, Snapchat's support team will review your request. If everything checks out, they'll work to restore your streak promptly. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can potentially have your Snapchat streak restored within the 48-hour window.